So after this whole sell to the downside, we had liquidities from there, and then liquidity came in and was swept and came to pick to tap into the areas there. Let me check 3 minutes time frame. I need to know what that area really is. It's just support on to resistance. Just support on to resistance there. You can see it now. You see here also. So yes, it has picked this place now. We should see more sales. To be very honest with you, we should see more sales. Let us see how many pips price is from here to the top here, about 11 pips. Okay, it's going to sell. I don't know if price, one thing that I'm not sure of is price coming back into some tops here and all that, but I doubt it. I actually doubt it, right? I actually doubt it. Come to the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame is showing more clarity on this, and this clarity is showing more sales, showing that we should take more sales. To be very honest with you guys, I would advise that we just, if you can take sales, start looking for sales entry where it is right now. If you see any sell entry, take it. Don't wait for any other thing. Take it from here. Although it is not totally advisable because I am not giving you guys some new strategies to follow, but I'm just telling you that with what we are seeing, is money we want to come and make in this market. We are not trying to do any other thing. We just want to make money here. Okay. So we are not trying to behave like the dawn, right? So that's it. Small sales on Euro USD here. And coming from the weekly time frame in the morning, and I've been sounding somehow, I'm really tired. I had a very busy day. Drove almost around town today myself. Yeah. Going back to the weekly time frame, remember that we had last week we had a doji form here around the 200 EMA. And some of you already know how much I cherish we are still going to talk about more strategies. Tonight is not the night. Tonight is not the night. So after this doji, I said that I would like to see how this week would close. Today is just Tuesday, and it is still doing very well so far. It is still doing very well so far. So what we are seeing, let me go to daily time frame. What we are seeing, there is a whole bunch of liquidity down here on the daily time frame. Right there, let me mark it very well. Yes, break and retest, basically break and retest, and that's itself. So aside the fact that the pin bar, there's a break and retest on the daily time frame. You can see the retest, double retest there, that is causing this sell. So I'm seeing more sales coming in for Euro USD, and we should just look for ways to get in on this trade and sell. Once you catch it, sell to at least this low here. Sell to at least this low here. That's around 1.07500. 1.07500. From the current price, it is 200 pips. From the current price, it's 200 pips. Sell to at least 1.07500. All right. That's for you, USD. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Top down analysis. That's simple top down analysis. If you can enter the sales, enter now. Really, I don't see anything why the price should bounce back up and come break above this high. And if you have enough things to, if you have enough risk tolerance, you can go as high as 20 pips stop loss, and then just leave it alone, let it run. Sincerely, just leave it alone. So that's for that. Let's see what USD card is today. Especially proud of my grandchildren. Okay, so let's see what USD card did today. Hold on, guys.
I know that obviously you can do hair and behavior, but yes, my DJ career has been picked up.
Okay, so let's see how USD card has behaved today. According to our analysis for today for USD card, we wanted USD card to come and fill in all of these spots, to come and fill in this imbalance here and come and pick entry from this other block. So far, it bought a little bit and then it started selling. So we should see more sales into this area. We should see more sales into the imbalance. We should see more sales into the imbalance right there. More sales into the imbalance, and then we can take our buy entries from here for this guy. The stop loss will be above this, will be below these lows. Why are we taking entry from here? The market has broken structures, all the structures it has created, and has created liquidity at the lows here. Right here, we have liquidity created at the lows here, and then imbalance, and then other block. So what do we say? Price is likely to give us our entry from here. If you don't want to take entry directly from here, you can actually just wait for re-entries at 3 minutes and 1 minute time frame around here. All right. You can just wait for entries around down here. Just wait for entries around down here. Nicely. But I am still on a buy bias for USD card. My bias is still a strong buy. My bias is still a very strong buy. Trust me. Let me now tell you something, guys. I have an entry on USD card with a small lot. I'm risking only about 0.2% of my account if it goes to stop loss at 809, around 800. Yeah, this is my entry. So price bought from my entry around here, gave me some money, but I did not close it. My stop loss is below here, way below here, about 60 bucks. I'm just risking 0.2% of my account on that trade. Okay. If you see my trade something, you see that I think I will send a screenshot of my trade to you guys. If you see my profits, they are always bigger than my losses. They are always bigger than my losses. My profits are always bigger and more than my losses. For me, I was trading this $25,000 account, and the biggest loss I took on that account was $192. The biggest loss I took on that account. And trust, I don't trade like I want to win accounts immediately. I don't take 2 trades to win an account. I take up to 30 trades sometimes to win an account. Trust me, I take up to 30 trades, 40 trades to win an account. Right? I take up to that many times. And I imagine on $25,000 account, I took about 42 trades in total. And my biggest loss on that trade was $192. But my biggest win on that trade was $567. Biggest win. The next big win was $327. The next big win was $242. The next big win was $232. The next big win was $193. The next one was $154. The next one was 146, 143, 141, 138, 134, 127, 106, 104, 197, 90, something, right? What did you see? What did you notice there? My biggest loss was 193. 192. But look at my biggest win. 567 once. Do you see? Always make sure your winners are always, when you are following proper risk management, your winners will always be bigger than your losers. Every damn time. Okay, Omar the Great. So when price comes back into this area now and gives me good entry, then I'm going to now put my proper risk on the account. Maybe risk 1% on the trade or risk 0.5% on the trade. That's how I trade. That's how I've been staying afloat in this market for as long as I have been staying afloat in this market, right? So then somebody mentioned USDJPY. I said I should analyze it. Okay, so let's analyze USDJPY. Before we end tonight's class.
The pain. I feel that by not telling you.
So
I was sparing you the pain.
Let's see the daily time frame of USDJPY. They are buying. USDJPY is buying massively. USDJPY is still buying. It's still buying. According to the daily time frame, you see where we are buying to. You see where we are buying to. USDJPY is still buying. I don't know. I'm going to explain it to you again, but USDJPY is still buying 900 pips. It's still buying. You can see how I marked these lows, and then it broke this ice, came into here. You see it. I remember I took these buys from here to here. I remember I took these buys from here to here. It was that Friday that myself and Tipo were out. That was the day I took that trade. That was the day I took that trade. You can see my lows, the way I normally mark my lows. This is when I'm teaching you patterns, we'll explain this in details. And then it came, look at how it broke this ice here, came back into our entry, and I bought, I closed here, it came back, picked me again here, I bought, I closed at this ice right here. And then I think that was the idea. I didn't take this long. All right, so yeah, that's where we had to JPY basically. We have them to double top, 20 double top though. 20 double top though, but this is, hold on, 1 hour time frame. Let me see, let me zoom it down.
It's the most fun I've had in months.
Let me see. Let me see.
Baby.
Price came in and tapped in here.
A moment.
And did not break this low.
We worked together.
Yeah.
And tapped into those lows. USDJPY. Hello?
Oh.
Yeah, really.
Right.
Fine. I'm in a meeting. Let me call you. I'll soon be back.
Oh, I did it. Fine. Yeah, we work together. Yeah, but then you can
okay, so yeah, price didn't take out these lows. So, but that's taking out this size. Excuse me. Taking out this size here.
Oh, but it does though.
Okay, price didn't take out those lows, but that's taking out this size here. Right here, that's taking out the size. So, and that's created this whole bunch of liquidity here. Right here, created a whole bunch of liquidity right there. Created a whole bunch of liquidity right there. So what I'm expecting price to come back to is this whole region here. This whole region here, I'm expecting price to come back to this whole region. But when you want to have this kind of trade though, your stop loss will be way below here. So, but this is the 1 hour time frame. You don't want to ever take trades from here. So you want to see the price come back into here. You want to see the price come back into here and create fresh structures for buys. Then you buy. Or the price market can just come back to this pin bar here. This one down here. And then create structures for buys. Don't take the trade just like that. Don't try it. Don't try it. Let's see what 15 minutes time frame is saying about those areas. This is the first area here, and this is the pin bar here. This is the pin bar here. So either of those places, wait for it. It's doing the same thing with USD card. So both of them will rally the same way. Both of them rally the same way. So yeah, that's it for both of them. So for Euro USD and for Euro USD card and DPJ, that's what we have for them. And yeah, that's the cap for the market today. That's the cap for the market today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning during live session. I really need to go now. And thank you guys for attending. I hope you gained something tonight. See you guys tomorrow. For Euro USD, I'm still looking at the sales. You know, we have to sell this market. Euro USD wants to sell, and hopefully it sells massively by tomorrow. No rush, no pressure. Hopefully it sells massively by tomorrow. Hopefully you don't wake up and see that it has moved 100 pips in the sell side. Hopefully it doesn't move 100 pips in the sell side. But it might just come back and retest this whole area again before selling finally. It might just come back and retest it and then sell finally. Okay. So till tomorrow, guys. See you in the live session tomorrow. Good night.
No.